Caller 3, when you're ready, please give us your best rendition of an owl hoot.
When we talk about turkey hunting, you know, this is the one time of the year that gobblers get to breed. And out there on that early morning when it's real quiet, any loud noise will cause that gobbler just to sound off, you know, whether it be lightning striking, you know, it hits, he sounds off and he gives his location away. But we want to try to make a sound of something that's natural to his environment that doesn't spook him, such as an owl, which is just real common. We use the barred owl call as a call to locate a turkey first thing in the morning. But if not, you know, you get out there and just that owl call out and just hopefully hear that. And just if not, just go into your 8-note rendition. And then the game's on. I love opening morning. Spring mornings are so great. You're kind of listening to the whole woods wake up. You know, you get out there and you start listening, maybe see if you can hear one sound off right off the bat.